Most AI funnel tools can now build a landing page, but that's no longer impressive. But what is impressive is taking an idea and turning it into a complete funnel, including all the funnel pages, the follow-up emails, the lead management, the hosting, the tracking, and actually getting the whole thing live online. And apparently, that's exactly what Perspective MCP can do. So today, I'm connecting Claude to Perspective MCP to see if it really can do all of that, starting from a single prompt. Now, before we jump in, quick heads up, this video is sponsored by Perspective. But as always, I'll be showing you exactly how this works and giving you my honest thoughts as we go. So what exactly is Perspective MCP? Well, Perspective is an AI platform designed to help businesses generate more leads, and the new MCP connects Claude directly with your Perspective account. That means instead of having to create your funnels manually, Claude can now help you build your entire funnel, including creating all the pages, writing the copy in your brand tone, style, and voice, writing all your follow-up email sequences, and managing your leads all from the same conversation. And if you're running meta ads, you can even connect your advertising data, so Claude can analyze your campaign performance and help you optimize your funnels using real-world data rather than guesswork. Now, if you want to follow along with me, then I've left a link to an extended free trial of Perspective in the description box below this video. So enough talking, let's get Claude connected and see what it can do. So here I am inside my Perspective Funnels account, but the magic actually starts in Claude. So here inside Claude, the first thing we need to do is connect the Perspective MCP. So in order to do this, come down to the bottom left and click on your little profile icon and then click Settings. And then in Settings, we need to go to Connectors right here. And then you'll see a note in Claude saying that Connectors has been moved to Customize. So click on this Customize right here. And now this is the area where you can add the Perspective MCP. So at the top, you'll see this little plus button. If you click on this and then click Add Custom Connector. And now here, we're going to give it a name. So let's just call it Perspective. And then you need to enter the MCP. So I'll leave that link in the description below this video as well, so it's easy for you to find it. And you can ignore these advanced settings for now. Just click the Add button, and this will add the Perspective MCP to your account. But now we need to click the Connect button right here. And since I'm already logged into my Perspective account in another browser tab, that part's important, you need to do that. I will now see this pop-up box where I can click Accept for the connection to take place between my Perspective account and my Claude account. And just like that, the MCP is now connected. So over the next few minutes, we're going to be putting Perspective MCP through two very different tests. First, we're going to create a lead gen funnel for a roofing company that needs to generate more leads and inquiries. Then we'll switch gears completely and we'll see how Claude handles creating a quiz funnel for an alternative healing practitioner. So we're not just testing different funnel types here. We're testing whether Claude can adapt to two very different businesses, audiences, and offers. Let's start with the roofing company and see what happens. So this is the roofing company we're going to create a funnel for, and this should be a good test because local businesses live and die by lead generation. Now, before we actually build the funnel, if we jump into my Perspective Funnels account right here, these are all the funnels that I've already created in my account, with the newest one being at the top left right here. So when I now ask Claude to create this funnel for me, if all goes to plan, our new funnel should appear here at the top left instead of this funnel right here. Now, here's the interesting thing. Instead of me telling Claude what colors and fonts to use, or what tone of voice, or how the funnel should look, I'm just going to give Claude the website URL and let it figure it out for itself. So we're going to give Claude this prompt, and I'm asking it to analyze this website URL. So that's, of course, our roofer's website. Then build a lead generation funnel for homeowners looking for roof repairs, roof replacements, or roof inspections. Include a landing page, thank you page, and a 3-part email follow-up sequence designed to encourage quotes and inspections. Let's submit this to Claude and see what Claude comes up with for us. And straight away, Claude gets to work connecting with the Perspective MCP. Now notice in my quote, I didn't even mention anything about Perspective or the Perspective MCP. Claude just automatically knew what to do. And it's saying, now let me check the Perspective connection before building the funnel. And here now, Claude is checking if a brand profile already exists for this brand. And it says no existing brand for the expert roofers. So what it means by this is if I go back into the Perspective account, let's come up to the top left and I'm going to go to workspace settings here. And then we have this tab under brands. And now here, these are all the brand profiles I already have created in my Perspective account. So Claude was checking here to see if a brand profile already exists for this roofing business that we now want to build a funnel for. And it recognized that there's no profile here. So jumping back into Claude is going to go ahead and create a brand profile for us, which is going to save a ton of time. So here we can see now, Claude says the brand profile is now created and it's moved on to start build the funnel already. So if we go back into Perspective now, and if I refresh this page on the brand profiles, we should see our new brand profile already dropped into our Perspective account. And there it is. This is what Claude has just created for us. So if we click on the little pencil icon, we can see exactly what Claude has created for our brand profile. So here it's created basic information for the company and the mission and the vision, the value proposition and the USP, the personas behind the company, the pricing, the brand voice and tone, credibility, testimonials, competitive landscape, and so on. So this is really comprehensive and a proper brand profile. It's not just fonts and colors and basic stuff like that. However, if we come over to the left, we can see that as part of this brand profile, Claude has also selected the colors based on our website and also the typography and the style. And then logos. Now that's the only part that Claude can't yet do by itself because Claude doesn't actually create images, but that's okay. We can easily upload the logo ourselves. Anyway, let's head back into Claude and see what it's up to now. So here we are back inside Claude, and it looked like Claude was stuck. So I just prompted it to continue. And then straight away, Claude told me that the funnel was actually already created. And it told me a little bit about what it's created, which is a 2-page conversion funnel. You'll go and check that out in a minute. And Claude also gives us a few options on the next steps. Before we get to that, let's go back inside Perspective and see what Claude has created for us. So in the Perspective account, I'm just going to navigate in the top left, go back to my funnels page, and here is our new funnel that Claude has just created for us. So if I click on this, it's now going to open it up into the editor inside Perspective. And here now is the landing page of our funnel. And this is looking pretty nice. Now check this out. Claude's already created all the content for us, as well as sourcing images, and added all these nice elements for us, as well as testimonials here that is probably pulled from our website. And then here's our contact form at the bottom. So looking really nice. And if you want to see this on a desktop view, you can come down to the bottom and click on the little desktop icon. This will now switch to the desktop view. So looking really, really good. But just for now, let's switch this back to mobile. And if we go to the left sidebar under pages, we can see the second page in this funnel, which is the thank you page that Claude has already created for us as well. So looking really, really nice. Now, in a moment, I'm going to show you how to edit this funnel with AI if you want to make any tweaks and changes. But before we do that, if we look in the left sidebar here, we can see there's this message section here. And this is where you can set up your emails for this funnel. However, we don't want to do the work ourselves because Claude can do it for us. So let's go back in Claude now and ask Claude to create the emails for us and connect them all up to our funnel. So here we are back in Claude. And if we scroll down a bit, Claude's asking us what we want to do next. So do we want to publish funnel and get it to create an email sequence, or just publish the funnel only, or do you want to pause? So let's get Claude now to publish our funnel and write and publish our email sequence as well inside our funnel. So I'm just going to give this simple prompt to Claude, and then let's see what Claude comes up with for us in terms of the email sequence for our funnel. And there, in a matter of seconds, Claude has now published the funnel, and now it's saying, yeah, it can write the emails, but it's saying there's no sender email address yet set up for this funnel. So Claude is asking us to pop into Perspective and just set up a sender email first. But I'm going to skip that step for now. I'm going to set up a sender email later. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say to Claude, I'll set up a verified email sender address later. Please continue with the email sequence setup, write the emails and connect them to our funnel. Now I'll give this new prompt to Claude. Claude should now get to work and set up the email sequence. And as Claude is working, it tells us what it's actually doing along the way. And now Claude's finished writing our email sequence. It's telling us everything it's done, which is first of all, it's published our funnel, and then it's written a 3-part email follow-up sequence, and it's telling us the purpose of each email, as well as the sending delay and the subject lines of each email here. So then now, if we go back into our Perspective account and check out our funnel, we will see in the left sidebar, under messages, here are the email sequences all set up for this funnel. So if I click on this, here is the first email. If I scroll down, this is what the email will look like. So not only has Claude written the content for this email, but it's also added a nice header here and also the call to action button with a phone number and also these nice graphics that will all be inside our email. So this looks really, really professional. Let's take a look at email 2. If I click on the sidebar in email 2, here is the second email. So looking really nice. And then email 3. And this email has a little headline with the content and also a couple of testimonials as well. So this looks really good. And of course, you can add as many emails as you want and get Claude to do it all for you. Okay, now, so what if you want to make some edits to your funnel once it's inside your Perspective Funnels account? Well, you can do that really easily, but this time with Perspective's AI. This is really cool. Check this out. So here we are back inside Perspective, and we're on the landing page of our funnel. So to make quick edits, what you can do, if we come down to the bottom, we'll see this menu bar, and we're currently on preview mode where we can view our funnel. But if I click on the edit button, this switches us to edit mode. So now as I hover over my funnel with my mouse, we will see that Perspective's AI is highlighting different elements for us on the page. So if I wanted to make any changes, for example, if I wanted to edit this headline, all I need to do is click on the element that I want to change. We'll now see in the left sidebar, we have a prompt box that appears in the bottom left. So I can ask something like, make this headline more curiosity driven and benefit focused. Let me submit this to Perspective. And now here we can see right in front of us, Perspective's AI is changing that headline in just a few seconds for us. So super handy. You can do this with any element on the page. So how about this button and phone number? So if I highlight the whole block like this, I'm going to ask Perspective to centralize the phone number and CTA button and place the phone number above the button. So let's submit this to Perspective and see how well Perspective can do this for us. So perfect. Just in a couple of seconds, it's made that adjustment for us too. So let's do one more. Let's do something a little bit more complicated and see if AI can handle it. So on the page, we've got some different services that our roofing company offers. We've got roof repairs here, roof replacement and new roofs, and roofing inspections and surveys. How about we ask the AI to add 2 more sections? So if we look on our roofing website, we've got the services that this roofing business offers. Let's also add emergency roofing and gutter repairs as well. So for this, if I click in the landing page to highlight the whole block, which includes all 3 of these little service blocks. Now let's go to the AI in the prompt box, something like this. Add 2 more service blocks, which are emergency roofing and gutter repairs. Let's submit this to Perspective and see how well Perspective's AI can make these adjustments for us. Okay, and done. That literally took about maybe 10 seconds. So here we've got our original 3, which are roof repairs, roof replacement, roof inspections. And now we've got gutter repairs and emergency roofing. And it's added the same image for both, but that's okay. We can easily just click on the image and then click on the little image icon right here, where you can come to perhaps Unsplash on the left side and search for something a bit more appropriate. So how about we look for gutters? And to switch that image out, all I need to do is click on the image I want, click on Use Media, and it switched it out straight away. Pretty simple. And alternatively, for the other image, I could also just click this image right here and just give a prompt to the AI in the bottom left and ask, change this image for an image of a broken roof. Search Unsplash for an appropriate image. Let's submit this to the AI and see if Perspective can handle this task for us. Okay, not bad. It did change the image for roofs, not necessarily a broken roof, but it is an image that is more appropriate nonetheless. Okay, so personally, I think that's pretty impressive. Claude can build entire funnels for you super fast, and Perspective's AI can make all the edits and tweaks that you need just with simple prompts. But now let's see if Claude can handle a completely different funnel type for a completely different business. So this website belongs to Joanna Southgate, and she helps people with energy clearing and healing services. Now, rather than just creating a lead generation funnel or a webinar funnel, I think a quiz funnel makes much more sense here because it can help visitors identify what type of service is most appropriate for them. Now, a quiz funnel is considerably more complicated than a lead gen funnel, so this should be a really interesting test for Claude. Here we are back in Claude, and I'm going to give Claude our next prompt to create the quiz funnel for Joanna's website. So let's ask a prompt like this. Please analyze joannasouthgate.com and create a brand profile if one doesn't already exist. Take a note of the different services she offers. Then build a quiz funnel that helps visitors discover what type of energy clearing or healing support may be most appropriate for them. Include a quiz results page and follow-up email sequence. So notice that I'm not actually giving Claude the specific questions and answers that I want in the quiz. Now, of course, I can't do that, but just for the sake of this demo and speed up the process, I'm going to get Claude to create the whole thing with minimal direction and see what the results are like that it comes up with. Okay, so Claude now tells us it's completed the funnel, and it tells us here what it's done. So it's set up the funnel with a brand profile, so identified the core services that Joanna offers, as well as things like the pricing and the duration of each session. And then in terms of what Perspective has actually built, it says here it's built an 11-page funnel, which includes a warm mystical intro page with branding aligned tone, 7 questions with a progress bar, each designed to reveal what service is best for the visitor, and then 3 different results pages depending on the visitor's answers. And each page has a CTA button to book a free 15-minute consultation, and also the email capture form. But it hasn't yet created the email sequence. But let's go and check out the funnel and see in the flesh, as it were, what Claude has actually created. So Claude has given us a link right here to open this particular funnel in the Perspective editor. So let's click on this, open link. And here is Joanna's funnel in the editor. So if we look on the left sidebar under pages, we can see that this funnel actually has 11 different pages, including the quiz intro page, which is what we're on right now. Then we have the first question of the quiz, which looks like this, and we can see the progress bar. So it looks actually really nice. Then question 2, question 3, and so on. And then we have the results pages down here. So this is results page number 1. Looking pretty nice. And here's our contact form, except our button here is a bit distorted. We can easily ask Perspective's AI to fix that for us. And then we've got results page number 2 right here and results page number 3. So let's just get the Perspective AI to fix this button here for us. So if I switch the toggle at the bottom to editor mode, and then if I click on this button, I'm going to ask Perspective AI something like this. Make the button smaller so it fits within the boundaries of this box section. Let's just submit this and see what Perspective does with this prompt. And once it's made the changes, Perspective brings me back to the first page of the funnel. So let's go back to the page we just adjusted, which was the last results page down here. Check out that button, and there we go, changed very nicely. If we check out the other two results pages, the button is also matching and working properly on this page too. So all good. And then if we go back to the first page of our funnel, let's go up to the top right and click on the little eye icon, which will open the funnel into a new tab into a preview mode. And now here we can see a preview of what our funnel is actually going to look like to a visitor. And I can even click through and test out this particular quiz funnel and actually see the experience that your visitors are going to have when they go through this funnel. So if I click on any of the answers, we can see the progress bar is going up at the top. And we move through and see the different options that we have for the different styles of our questions. So this looks really, really nice. And again, Claude set this up in just a couple of minutes for us. That is actually really impressive because a quiz funnel is actually pretty complicated to put it together from scratch. Now, creating and launching the funnel is obviously the headline feature that I showed in this video, but there are also a few other capabilities worth knowing about as well. For example, Claude can help with reporting, analytics, and funnel optimization. So rather than digging through the numbers yourself, you can simply ask questions about the funnel performance and get insights based on your data. You can also create reports, identify bottlenecks, and even set up scheduled tasks to monitor your performance over time. And if you're running meta ads, Claude can work with that data too, helping you identify what's working, where leads are dropping off, and where there may be opportunities to improve your results. And if you want to try Perspective MCP for yourself, then you can get an extended free trial via the link in the description below this video. Now, if you want to know more about Perspective Funnels and its capabilities, then you can see my in-depth Perspective Funnels review right here.